Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Naphthalene reacts with oxalyl chloride, Kealcococcol, in the presence of UlCl3, a Friedel-Crafts acylation catalyst. Moving on to the next step. Oxalyl chloride has two acid chloride groups. With UlCl3, it undergoes double Friedel-Crafts acylation on naphthalene. Naphthalene is most reactive at the 1 and 8 positions, peripositions. The two COCl groups acylate both peripositions, C1 and C8, of naphthalene, forming a diketone where the two carbonyl groups bridge the 1,8 positions. This gives naphthalene 1,8-diol diketone, i.e., a cyclic 1,8 naphthalenediol bridged diketone, specifically acinophtenequinone, acinaphthalene 1,2-dione, a 5-membered ring containing two carbonyl groups fused at the 1,8 positions of naphthalene. So, X is equal to acinophthalenediene, acinophtenequinone. Moving on to the next step. Treatment with NiHG, sodium amalgam, and HCl in excess is a reducing condition, similar to Clemmensen reduction, that reduces C is equal to O groups to CH2. Both ketone groups in the 5-membered ring of acinophtenequinone are reduced to CH2, converting the two C is equal to O groups into two CH2 groups. This gives acinaphthalene reduced to acinophthene, a naphthalene with a 5-membered saturated ring, cyclopentane ring, fused at the 1,8 peripositions. And for the final step, acinophthene is naphthalene with a CH2-CH2 bridge across the 1,8 positions, forming a tricyclic system with a 5-membered carbocycle fused to naphthalene at the peripositions. This matches option C, which shows naphthalene with a 5-membered saturated ring fused across the top 1,8 positions. A shows a 4-membered ring fused at 2,3 position, incorrect regiochemistry and ring size. B shows a 4-membered ring at an angular position, incorrect ring size and regiochemistry. D shows a 5-membered ring at peripositions, but with a double bond inside the 5-membered ring, unsaturated, which would be acinaphthalene, not the fully reduced product from excess NiHG HCl. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.